Let's talk about alphabets. In English language, we have 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's take it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In English language, we have uppercase, capital case. In lowercase, small letter. Now let's talk about the vowels. In English language, we have 5 vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Let's take that again. A, E, I, O, U. We have 21 consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we're going to see what each letter stands for. Apple, apple. Butterfly, butterfly. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Elephant, elephant. Flower, flower. Giraffe, giraffe. Hat, hat. Ice cream, ice cream. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Kite, kite. Leaf, leaf, mango, mango, nose, nose, orange, orange, pencil, pencil, queen, queen, ring, ring, socks, socks, turkey, turkey, umbrella, umbrella, violin, violin, watermelon, watermelon, x-ray, x-ray, yacht, yacht, zebra, zebra,